Hello everyone, hope you are all doing well. Today I'm going to show you a simple Java project. This is doing basic arithmetic operation. So let's see how the program is working. So it is asking me to enter two numbers. First number is 4 and the second number is 3. So right now we have 4 choices, for example addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So what I'm going to do is to multiply these two numbers. So I simply press 3. After I press 3 you can see the result, which is 11. Okay. This is a really simple program. In this program I will show you how to use switch, how to take numbers argument from the user, and this is simple program. So let's build this project from scratch. I will create another project. I will call it calculation. So I'm creating this. Okay, perfect. First of all, I have to print some information, like I will tell the user about the goal of my project. Welcome to the basic arithmetic program. I am using to print statement. In the second statement I will ask user to enter two numbers. Please enter two numbers to perform calculation. Okay, this is really simple. So right now if the user entered two numbers, so our program should take argument from the user. So in this case we have to use pre-built Java class, which is called scanner. So I have to import this, import Java util scanner. Okay, right now I am using double because the user will use maybe not integer, you will use other numbers like decimal. Okay, double, I will call it num1 equal to, okay, I have to first create the scanner object. Scanner equal to new scanner. So in this scanner we will take input from the user system.in. Okay, so the first number that the user will enter, scanner next double. Okay, this is the first number, and this is the second number. So let's run our program. You can see these two statements. So please enter first number, I enter first number, and I enter second number. So it does nothing because we have to use some other codes to finish the project. Right now I have to use another print statement system.out.println, please choose your operation. Okay, we will give a user choices, like for example, if the user press 1, our program should add to number. Okay, if the user press 2, it will be subtracting to number, subtraction. If the user enter 3, it should multiply the numbers, multiply. And finally, if the user press 4, it will divide to number, division. Okay, let's see. Okay, please enter two number 1 number. Okay, now the user should choose which operation he is going to perform. So in this case we use another number to take arguments from the user. Okay, I will call it choice. So I use integer because the user will be entering integer number. So integer, I will call it choice scanner. Okay, so with the choice variable, the user will be able to enter input to choose which operation he is going to perform. Okay, so I will use another variable which is called result. Okay, integer is used only for integer, I have to use double. After these two numbers added or subtracted, the result should be stored in this variable called result. Okay, right now we are using switch to do these operations. Okay, switch, you will have switch between choices. In switch we have different cases. For example, if this is the first case, two numbers should be added together. Result, sorry for typo. Okay, result, this two number 1 should be added with number 2. Okay, then our program should break. We use break method. So in case 2, two numbers should be subtracted. In case 3, two numbers should be multiplied. However, in case 4, it is a bit tricky. That's because a number is not multiplied by 0. Okay, in this case you should write some conditions in your program. For example, case 4. In case 4, for example, if num2 is not equal to 0. In this case, two numbers, a number should be divided by another number. For example, if the number 2 is not 0, in this case our operation will be done successfully. Otherwise it will give you an error, your program will be crashed. Okay, if num2 is not equal to 0, in this case num1 should be divided to num2. Okay, otherwise it will not be working. Break. Else system.out.println, if the user enter 0 for num2, so definitely it will give you an error, invalid numbers. Okay, or say invalid operation. In this case, system.exit 1. If you receive such kind of error, so your system should be exited. Okay, if you put 1, so it means this error is not normal. Okay, this is abnormal error, so you will notice that your program will close automatically. So at the end, system.out.println, we should understand your result after you did all the operation. Result. Okay, so let's run our program to see if it's working or not. Please enter two number. Oops, sorry, I entered invalid number 3 2. So now please choose your operations. I will choose, for example, 3. Why it's not showing me? Oops. Yeah, I have to move this outside this block. Okay, three, 2. You can see your result is 6. So let's do, for example, number 4, number 1 2, number 2, number 4. Your result is 2. Okay, perfect. It is really simple. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.